This is the seat jockey for a custom saddle I'm making, and put my design on it, lay it out flat, let it get real dry. Now at this time I'm going to edge the edge there with this is the #1 Berry King with the turned up heel. That's what I'll be edging this with. I'd like to give you a little tip on kind of finishing your leather or working it as you go. After I tooled this piece, it was still slightly damp, and what I like to do is rub it with my rubbing stick. This one is Coca Bola, and I've got this one that is very old. It's been in the family for a long time. I think that's possibly cherry or some kind of hardwood. Actually, I sanded a little bit yesterday and polished it. And what you can do when your leather is nearly dry, you can take your rubbing stick and work the leather. And this is real satisfying when you can get down in the light and rub your piece. You can see the grain just lay down and become real smooth. And I just love to look at that, the grain of the leather. Like, for example, this is a piece that has not been glazed or rubbed, and you can tell that the pores are open on it. And I think for something custom and to put a good finish on it, especially on vegetable tan natural leather, you need to rub the leather and get a unique finish on it. As you can see, I've got my parts prepped here. They're ready to be stitched. And I've got another piece here. This is my breast collar. It's a little bit damp on the back. Need to dry that out and glue all that together. I'll give you a close-up shot of edging this piece.